Hey friends, this is Nancy Myrland. Welcome to Legal Marketing Minutes. I just wanted to bring you up to date on a change that I'm seeing on LinkedIn. They just announced it yesterday. And if you have noticed in the past, when you list or anybody lists your positions with a firm or a company that you've been with, it's a little messy. It just posts them as all separate. It almost looks like you've been with separate companies. And then LinkedIn will send out notifications telling people that you've started a new position. And unless people take the time, which I wish they would, because it tells the recipient that they're paying attention and they're going the extra mile, unless they really pay attention and they go to your profile, they don't realize that maybe you are just starting another position, or maybe you've been promoted, or that there's been some other change within your firm. So you might get these notifications from people and these messages that say, congratulations on your new job, or how's everything at your new firm, or whatever. And, you sort of think, oh, well, okay, I either need to reply or I just let it go because I'm going to be actually explaining to too many people that it was just a promotion that I received. And so what LinkedIn has done is they are, for lack of a better word, I'll use the word, they've nested all positions within the same firm together. And I'm looking at a screenshot of it. I cannot see it on mine because I don't have different positions from the companies I've been with. I've had, my position is the same at Myrland Marketing and Social Media as it has been for the last 16 years. And the same with the law firm that I worked with. I was the director of marketing and I was that the whole time I was there. But what I'm looking at is a screenshot from them. And I think you will start to see this frequently, is that it will say, just like it does now, it'll show the name of your firm, and then nested underneath that and sort of indented a bit will be all of your positions and the years and the times that you were with them. For example, I'm looking at one in their screenshot that shows a company named Flexus, and it shows they figure out the entire length of time for you, which they do now. It says 4 years and 8 months. And then underneath that, it says Senior Project Manager, June 2017 to present, and they'll say that was 7 months. Then underneath that, also indented Project Manager, and they'll give the dates and how much time that is as well. And then all of the other positions, and then it'll go back to when they're finished with that firm, then underneath that will be the last position, the last firm, or the last company you were with. I like this because it cleans up the interface. It leaves less room for mistake or just awareness of what's going on with someone. It makes your communication with them or their communication with you about that announcement a little bit more accurate, which it's nice for credibility, I think, when we take a little bit of time to understand that really it's just another position within a firm. It's not a new firm. And so I like it. And what they're telling us is that the new design is starting to roll out in the U.S. this week on desktop and mobile, and it'll be available globally to all members in the coming weeks. And so it's a nice tweak. And, a point that they made in their blog post on LinkedIn is that showcasing your past experience isn't just about highlighting 9-to-5 jobs you've held. It should also include freelance work, side hustles, volunteer time, and one-off project. I'm not suggesting you have side hustles while you're at your firm. I'm just reading what LinkedIn wrote. So make sure that you add your volunteer roles. That tells people a lot about you. And if you happen to do something else that's pro bono, make sure you add your pro bono work to your profile as well. So it just completes your profile. I always tell my clients when I help them with their profiles, this is the place where you want to give a lot of detail. It's not like in the old days when somebody said, send me your resume, and you had to print off or email a 9-page resume, and darn well they weren't going to look at it. Well, when someone lands on your profile on LinkedIn, they've chosen to for a specific reason. And with infinite scrolling, it's very easy to do. So it's not putting them out. If they're curious, then they're going to keep looking. If they're not interested, They won't look. It's as simple as that. So my recommendation to you is to go ahead and add all of this to your experience section. And also the point of today's flash briefing is to just let you know that this is happening and that it's going to clean up your profiles a little bit more so that people understand your journey. All right. Well, that's it for today's Legal Marketing Minutes. Do me a favor and let me know your thoughts about this new change on LinkedIn. If you're listening on a platform where you can leave a comment, please do so, as I'd love to hear from you. If not, you can always find me on my blog at Myrland Marketing, which is MYRLAND marketing.com. Also, if you're connected to the legal profession, I invite you to join my Facebook group where we discuss marketing, business development, content, social and digital media. And you can find that by searching Facebook for Social Media for Lawyers and Legal Marketers with Nancy Myrland. When you do, let me know that that's how you found the group. Just leave me a message there in the group, all right? Well, thanks so much for spending a few legal marketing minutes with me. I know your time is valuable, so I appreciate you spending a few of them right here. Until next time, I'm Nancy Myrland. Take care.